There's like blue skies over here, and then a wall of water. And you can actually hear it coming. It's rumbling you can hear it rumbling in the background. Yeah, that wall of water turned into a wall of water. That's for sure. We got hail coming in. No wonder you can hear it because all the hail. Holy smokes, is it pouring off the house. Ah! This is crazy. Oh, love it. Dudes, we're talking my yard turned into a mud bog and I didn't even have to dump water in it for it. Alright. Keep on raining. Of course, here in New Mexico, 4 minutes later, it's not pouring and it's almost blue skies again. One of the reasons I really love New Mexico is because the weather systems are like these little cells that come and go. You can actually see right over there, it's still blue skies. But in the meantime, sure is nice to hear the rain coming down. Well, hoping for a good lightning blast, but it ain't gonna happen. Laters, YouTube.